So I went to the store the other day and saw this mirror, and I said, "Baby girl, you're coming home with me." So I already ordered a vanity desk online, and I went to the shop, right? And I didn't buy it as I said. So I went to the shop. I saw that the mirror there, it's cheaper than the one I have seen online. So I decided to purchase it. So this mirror is the Hollywood landscape mirror. You just need to plug it in and shine. So it came in two parts, the base and the actual mirror. With the mirror has 15 bulbs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 bulbs, I think. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I couldn't take my eyes off it when I saw it um at the store. So it's such a beautiful mirror, and it has a smart touch control and adjustable light temperature. So it has a USB charging port as well. Would you believe it? So all you need is to connect the base to the actual mirror and just screw both in, and you're good to go. You plug it in and you're good to go. So this Hollywood landscape mirror has three light settings. It has the one that looks like halogen light. It has the semi-warm and it has the very warm light setting. So you get three different light settings. It wasn't an easy mirror to assemble to start with. Oh my goodness, I really struggled. I give it to men, who are into all these things. It's very easy for them to assemble gadgets and all that. I was sweating assembling this. I edited some part of it. You should have seen me struggling. Oh my goodness, this is not my profession. This is not my area. I beg. Oh dear. I nearly smashed the mirror. I almost smashed it. And that's why I couldn't talk while I was unboxing this mirror, because I was trying to be extremely careful. And imagine if I smashed this, the money would be a waste. Oh my goodness. If I smashed it, I would have cried. But thank goodness I didn't smash it. I was very careful. That was why I kept quiet. I didn't want to talk. I looked so serious, trying to pull it from the box. So there she is. There she is. So beautiful. So beautiful. So once it's set up now, I'm good to go in the mornings, especially winter mornings. That's the base there. I'm unwrapping, especially during winter mornings where it's dark outside. I won't worry about, applying my makeup when I'm rushing out in the morning for work. So with my lights, with the mirror and the tree light settings, I can comfortably apply my makeup and evenly, without patches or without a messed up face. So I am very pleased with the purchase, and I'm really really happy. So this is the happy girl here, looking so fulfilled. And yeah, and the thing, I decided to unveil. I bought it and then decided to leave it until the vanity desk arrived. So it arrived and I decided to unveil it. So it's standing in all its glory on top of the vanity desk. So that is the complete look. I'm loving it already. I'm loving it already. So beautiful. So beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Oh, I love this. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.